Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Casa Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make aloe vera face moisturizer. So aloe vera is a common household plant known for its healing properties. So using aloe vera on the face can help moisturize your skin. So regularly applying a small amount of aloe to the face can help treat various skin conditions including acne, eczema and sunburn. Yeah, so like I'm just showing you the products that we're going to use. So before using gel, you have to make sure that you soak it in water or leave it in water, like you put it upside down to remove that latex. Yes, because some people may react to it. So use a sharp knife to cut off those sharp edges. So you can use the gel directly from aloe plants or buy a bottled variety from a healthy store. But of course, when buying aloe vera products, avoid products with added ingredients such as alcohol or other chemicals, because this can have a harmful effect on the skin. So the easiest way for a person to obtain fresh aloe gel is to keep a fresh plant in the house. So actually, aloe vera plants are often available from local garden stores or online. Yeah, so actually there are about 420 different species of aloe vera gel. So we just continue removing those sharp edges. So that's how they look like after cutting off the sharp edges. So now we're going to put that aside, and then we're getting a bowl and a spoon. So we are going to use a spoon to cut across and to scoop out the gel. So I've used two types or species of aloe today, and I really love these two because they have a lot of gel. So I'm not going to blend the aloe because I don't like the watery aloe. I like it gelish. Yes, so now I'm going to just scrap quite harder, and in simple places, like scrapping the gel. I won't be scrapping like big chunks. Yes, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Yes, because I don't like the watery gel when it's blended. So like we'll continue scraping off our gel because we'd want to use some for our hair. So that is how much gel, but we are still like going to use this other leaf or spaces, so I'm just going to cut off a smaller piece. So that is how our gel looks like. It's so gelish. Yes, I love that. So like I'm not going to blend it like I mentioned earlier on. I'm just going to use a spoon like so continue whipping it using our spoon. So now we are sieving it. So I'm just getting a spoon to help us to remove more gel. So just continue like whipping so that more gel can come out. So like if it was blended, it would have been like easier, but I don't want that. We want to go for the jelly kind of. So we are done. That's how it's look like. So I love that texture, as you can see. That's what we were going for. So at this point, I'm going to transfer it in a bowl, but I'm not going to preserve it because I want to use some for the hair, and it's not a lot, as you can see. I think I'll definitely share how I'm going to moisturize my hair using aloe vera. So that is the amount we have. So we are not going to preserve it, like I said. Yes, but if you don't preserve it, you have some left, you can just put them in the fridge. So like I've already washed my face with honey, and I had posted a video on how you can use honey to wash your face. So like just apply a little on your face. So aloe vera has inflammatory properties which can reduce pain, swelling, and soreness of wounds. So it supplies the production and release of collagen. It can speed up wound healing time and limit scarring. So it has antioxidants effect that can help repair sun damage and slow down the aging process of the skin. And it actually contains 90% of water, which helps moisturize, soothe, and hydrate the skin. It can help also to make skin more flexible and supple rather than stiff. And it has the cooling effect on rashes or sunburn. Yeah, so like we are just applying it gently. And don't forget your lips also needs to be moisturized. Yes, and apply it on your hands. It's also good for the body. Yes, so dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so. If this video was helpful, you can click on that like button. So thank you so much. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so. And bye bye. God bless you. See you in my next video.